Welcome to this week's episode of Analyzing Chazal. This week we'll be analyzing the commentary of the Orach Chaim on this week's parsha, Parshas Vitzä. Let's go to the pasuk. Perek Chav Ches, pasuk Yud. The pasuk says, "Vitzä Yaakov mi Be'er Sheva, vayelech Harana." And Yaakov left Be'er Sheva and he went to Haran. The Orach Chaim. Od Yirmaz Lodia ki sheyatza Yaakov mi Be'er Sheva, tekev halach Harono shel Esav. Furthermore, the Torah comes to tell us that when Yaakov left Beersheba, the anger of Esav towards him immediately dissipated. The hint: did the reason for the anger disappear? Okay, with the information you already have in the hint, you come up with the question yourself. Here's the question. The Orach Chaim explains that as soon as Yaakov was not around Esav, suddenly all of the anger of Esav disappeared. The anger of Esav against Yaakov was based on the fact that he took the brachas from him. This is something that did not go away when Yaakov left, as it is something that will last for generations. So is it possible to say that when Yaakov was no longer around, the anger of Esav instantaneously disappeared? The answer, as we always say, comes from within the question, which was that the anger of Esav against Yaakov was based on the fact that he took the brachas from him. This is something that did not go away when Yaakov left, as it is something that will last for generations. So is it possible to say that when Yaakov was no longer around, the anger of Esav instantaneously disappeared? The answer is yes, and the reason is that we do not understand how anger works. In essence, when a person gets angry, naturally it should dissipate very quickly. However, what keeps the anger around is the person keeps rehashing it in their mind, and this can happen when you constantly see the person. However, once Yaakov left and he did not see him anymore, Esau was able to stop rehashing the incident and the anger naturally dissipated. The practical application. In our lives, there are times we get angry at someone and we find that the anger just seems to continue for a long time, much longer than it really should. If we want to work on the trait of anger, the first step should be to stop rehashing the incident in our head, which will allow the anger to dissipate. Have a wonderful Shabbos, and we'll see you next week for Parshas Vayishlach.